Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are discuss about how to draw a nail on flag design. In this video, I will teach you how to make a flag design. Hope you will like it. First we will use rose color and you see this design how much a beautiful color and draw on flag design. Make sure you like it design, and this is an aqua color next, and so much aqua color are the best for nails. Creating an aqua color nail design can be a fun and stylish way to express your creativity. Here's and flag. Green color nail design is versatile and refreshing choice. Whether you prefer a solid green color or want to incorporate various shades and designs, here's step-by-step guide to achieving green nails. And so much wonderful red color flag design on these nails and orange color. Orange is a vibrant and energetic color that sits between red and yellow on the color spot. It's often associated with warmth, enthusiasm, and creativity. The color orange can evoke feeling and excitement and positive frequently used. And you see this how much beautiful creator design, flag design. And this dark red color mostly nice and attractive this color and so much like it and draw on American flag design. Gray color are nice, attractive. Others people, you see this color design and flag design on nails. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget like and subscribe my channel.